What was that again?
What'd you say?
Get it untangled.
Get it untangled? Don't yank. It's stuck.
Was that a good idea to play with the train that way? Were you carrying it and got it stuck in your hair? You got a train stuck in your hair? Did you want to keep it around for bedtime and stuff?
No.
No.
Are you sure?
Did you think it would pull you for a ride? You turned it on?
You're too big for that train.
What?
You can't ride it.
Hey, I think I'm getting some traction. Yeah, that was a good play on words, huh?
I think it be Bobby Bite and damn it bin. Then there'll be bin. Go to up a big money bin.
Really?
Yes.
Hadassah, I think I just saved your hair. Well, almost. I'm in the process.
Hadassah, can you try to get it stuck in your hair again?
Don't do that.
Would that be funny? No. You're right. Is this bright? Can you smile for me?
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping Mommy getting your hair unstuck out of the train.
We're almost done.
I get to see you.
You'll be able to run free from the train. Will that be fun? Uh-oh.
Hadassah, what have you done? I don't want to break the train by pulling your hair.
You're cute, girl.
Hadassah, we might just cut off this last little teeny bit. I think that's what we're gonna do.
Should we get the... How will we prevent this from happening again, Hadassah?
Come here, Hadassah.
Mommy's gonna lead you by your leash.
Where did I put this?
Is this your first haircut, Hadassah?
Yeah.
Do not ever use scissors on your hair, okay? See. Oh dear, was that shorter than I intended?
Oh no.
No, it's okay.
I can see exactly.
Don't do
Hadassah,
that.
can you see where it is where Mommy did it?
It's just a teeny bit of hair.
That was the eye.
You did.
Yeah, why is it gonna be bats? Oh, beach. It moves. It's.
There you go.
Man, I need to get your hair out of here.